Okay, so now I've got these angles congruent. Let me go back to the next piece of the given. YW, segment, YW, bisects angle XYZ. That's given. Okay, take a look at the picture. Tell me what is congruent, because this YW is bisecting angle XYZ. That's this big angle here. That big angle XYZ is being bisected. So what's going to be congruent? The angle is being bisected. Cheyenne? XW. No, not because the angle is being bisected. If I've got an angle and I cut it in half, what do I have? 2 equal what? Not segments, but angles. I've got 2 congruent angles. Where are they at? Up at the top here. These 2 little ones are going to be congruent. Instead of using 3 letters, I'm going to add numbers to my picture. If you don't have a picture to do that with, then you have to use the 3 letters. X, Y, W, and Z, Y, W. But because I was able to put the 1 and 2 in there, and that's because of definition of angle bisector. There's my second congruent part. Cheyenne, get ready for this one. Next part of the given. W is the midpoint of XZ. Oh, yeah. Scooching.
Not down.
So I'm going with the next given. It's right at the top of the board there. W is the midpoint of XZ. I'm using this one here. That's given. We gotta get 6. We're only at 2.
No. Oh. Continue to the next page.
Okay.
Yeah, really.
W is the midpoint of XZ. Now, because W is in the middle, Cheyenne, what's congruent? As a direct result, XW is congruent to ZW. What's the reason I know that? Definition of a midpoint. So I'll double tick mark that. There's my third one. 3 more to go. I know. Given
I think I use more paper in this class than any other class.
XY is congruent to YZ. That's given. That's number 4. Okay, we've got 2 more parts to get in here.
Oh.
What's not marked on my sheet as being congruent?
Cheater. I'm making this whole
I got 2 sets of angles. Can I now say angle X and angle Z are congruent? Put these 2 together. Angle X
I can go like this.
is congruent to angle Z. Why are those congruent? Third angle, because I got 2 congruent, I know the third ones are congruent. That's the third angle theorem. Okay, that's number 5. The last one. What's not marked congruent? Stay with me. You've got this YW. The last one's coming right here. 4's down here to give it. 4's given. This is the last one right here. I'm on YW congruent to YW. Because YW is a part of both triangles.
Is that given or not?
No, that's not given. What is that?
That is not given.
Nope. It's called, that's the reflexive property that says anything is congruent to itself.
I know it is.
I don't even know how these come in.
Reflexive.
Don't know that.
So now, if I put this
Oh
one,
my gosh.
which has 3, together with this one, and this one, put all that together, you can say the triangles are congruent.
Oh. Yeah, I can't do that. This paper looks retarded.
What?
This is sitting on this paper.
I've got 2 column ones left. 2 column proofs. Two column proofs. I'm that's my plan today. Kill. Mission. Kill first hour geometry students.
Oh, the yellow brick road. Look at this. You wanna know how many?
Maybe we'll just do one of them.
1, 2, 3. I'm on my 4th page.
We'll do one.
Thank you, sir. Is this example number 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just now getting on. Is that on that page? Oh, yeah. Front view. Otherwise, I'm on my 3rd page. Okay, should I skip a page? No. I'm on my 3rd page. Wow, she's wrong. Is this a long one?
It's gonna be 2 columns and it has 7 steps to it.
So like half a page.
Yep. About a half a page.
Dude, I'm trying to write this down and I can't concentrate. All this talking. I can't concentrate with space. Oh my god, it's Courtney. You're like, so beautiful.
Yeah, it is a lot.
I'm gonna give you your mama.
I don't know why I didn't type these out.
Yeah, why didn't you?
I don't know. This is it. Stay with me. Work hard on these, because you need to get really good at these proofs, because the whole rest of the chapter is proof. Okay. Yep, I'm gonna wait now. I'm not gonna go on until you get everything written. Other than statements and reasons. So that's all just copying. We didn't do any thinking yet. That's not even the hard part. The hard part's to come.
We're only gonna do one.
This is it. Yep, it's the last one. I'll see what the assignment looks like.
Courtney, I know my mom is a lie.
Oh, you're gonna have homework today. Yeah, but they're fill in the blanks. You don't have to write down a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready yet?
No. Do you know how long it's gonna take me to make this line? Oh, well,
We're in school. And it'll be, oh, it's December. It's almost Christmas. Why do we have homework?
Well, yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Like your face? Oh, yes, thank you. We're not friends, Courtney. I'm not related to you anymore. We're no longer cousins. Good. We're all getting in a fight up here. I like that.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, but you guys aren't related.
Come on, let's pick up the pace.
You want to see something? Yeah, really pretty, Courtney.
Okay, fill in the reason.
You know, it's like, wait, I don't know. Unless it's ugly B. I can do like the first part.
What's my reason? I can write this down. Given. Okay, now take a look and see what that's actually telling you. This is where the thinking comes in. It's telling me this segment AD is bisecting BE. So BE is being cut in half by this segment AD. Well, if BE is being cut in half, what's congruent? BC and CE. So what would be the reason then I just said that? What told you those were going to be congruent?
Definition of bisecting.
Bisecting segments. We could just say definition of bisect though. It's technically segment bisector, but I am fine with just definition of bisect. It's a segment that was being bisected. Alright? BE bisects AD. What's the reason I could say that? That is also up in the given. Now again, here's the thinking. Take a look at the picture and apply that to the picture. BE, this segment, is bisecting AD. So if AD is being bisected, what's congruent? AC and DC. So AC is congruent to DC. What's the reason? Definition of segment bisector. You don't need segment. All I really need is definition of bisect. We got 2 congruent parts, 4 to go. AB is congruent to DE. What's my reason there? AB is congruent to DE because it's up in the given. That's this here to this here. 3 down, 3 to go. Angle A is congruent to angle D. Oh, can't see. Angle A is congruent to angle D. Reason? Given again. Up in the given.
I like these given ones.
Yeah, me too. Angle, I'm going to mark it A
It's the only one you know.
to D.
Are they all gonna be just given in definition?
Nope. Here's a new one right now. Angle 1 congruent to angle 2. And I'm going to put the 1 and the 2 right here.
Birds of back.
VAC. It is VAC.
Wow,
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 congruent parts. Where's the last congruent part at? Angle B congruent to angle E. Reason? That's the third angle. We already had 2 congruent angles, so we've got our third congruent angle. Third angle theorem. That's number 6. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEC. Reason? Definition of congruent triangles. Says all 6 parts are congruent.